want to click this Illustrator file and download it. And then when it downloads, you can just click and it's going to open in Adobe Illustrator, and it should look something like this. So the first thing we're going to do is go over our selection tool. So the first tool on your toolbar is just called the selection tool. And what you can do is you can click and drag out around shapes that you want selected to move. So it kind of functions almost like a selection tool and a move tool. So what you're going to do here is you're going to design some emojis. So for this one, you want to go ahead and select a mouth, some eyes, and you can even make them as big as you want if you want to adjust the size. And then you also want to give it a hat. So it doesn't matter which one. You just want to make sure that you select, so you can either click and drag around the ones you want selected or just click it because they are grouped together. Okay, so that's one. Next, I want to show you how to add to your artboard. So if you go down your toolbar, you're going to see this tool here. This is called your artboard tool. You click it, you'll see on the right you have your properties panel, and we're going to click this plus button to add a new artboard, and you'll see it'll add it to the right of it. So you want to do that 4 more times, so that way we have a total of 5 artboards. I want to zoom out, Control minus, and you'll see we should have a total of 5 artboards. I want to go back to my move tool or my selection tool, and we're going to move. I'm going to click and drag around all these eyes here, and we're going to kind of move them out of the way. So that way we have our next one to work on. I'm going to zoom in, Control plus, I'm pressing down spacebar to pan. I want to click and drag around all of this emoji and center it. And then I'm going to copy this face here. So I'm going to click on the face, and then I'm going to Control C, Control V, and it makes a copy. And then I'm going to make another one. So you want to select the mouth that you want. Now when you do this, notice how it's underneath. So what you have to do is click on the circle for your face and right click, go to arrange, send to back. So you have to send it to the back. And then before I move on, let's go ahead and make the rest of our heads here. So I'm going to click my circle, Control C, Control V. That way I know they're all in the back. All right. So from here, I want to go back to this one. You can change the fill color over here in your properties panel. If you do not see your properties panel, go to window and make sure properties is clicked. So let's make this emoji look really mad. We're going to change the fill to more of a red color. And then here we can kind of give him some crazy eyes. Select a hat for him, so maybe he's like a really mad chef. Okay. And then for the remaining 3, you can go ahead and design however you want it to look, change the colors of the face, the objects, whatever you want.